First thing you need to do if you're using newspaper is to fold it in half. If you're using ordinary paper, you don't need to worry about this. The next thing you do is fold the top to the bottom and make a crease along the middle. Then turn the paper around and again fold from the top to the bottom and make another crease along the middle here. Now comes the fiddly bit. Once you've got that, you need to open it up. To do this, put my finger inside and open down along the edge where that fold is. Push it back, cross itself, and you should make a triangle shape at the bottom. Make sure the lines meet up in the middle there, and then fold down nice and sharply your angled edges across here. You then just need to fold that closed and repeat this on the other side. Opening it up in the middle, hand inside, push it down, and then push those lines so they meet in the middle, and then make your angle at the bottom. Next thing to do is to close that back across, and what you should have this time is you can't see any of the folds, you just see a triangle shape, a little bit of a rectangle at the top, a bit like an aeroplane shape. Then fold in that short edge right to that middle line that you've already made and fold down neatly. Do the same on the opposite side, folding it right into the middle and then folding down neatly. You need to do this again on both sides. Take it, fold it right into the middle. Use that line to help you. So it's going right in there and it's all lined up. Fold it down nicely, and again the same, take that short edge in and fold it right into the middle. And you should have something that looks a little bit like a paper aeroplane. Okay, now turn it over and repeat on the other side. Fold the small edge right into the middle and fold down neatly. Again, take the other side and fold into the middle. Nice neat lines, and again take these two edges back in to create these nice parallel lines. You should have something that looks a bit like an arrow. And you should notice at the top of both sides there's a line where the paper overlaps. This is really useful. We're going to fold down to this line here. I'm going to fold it back, right down, nice sharp line at the top there, and then we're going to turn it over and do exactly the same on the other side. Notice that line there, fold it right back against that line, and we have nearly finished our origami plant pot. Last thing to do is to open it from the top. There we go, and just push it down slightly. And you should now have a very usable origami plant pot. Good way to recycle any of your paper that you might be putting in the recycling bin. You could use it to put your compost and your seeds inside, and now is a great time to start putting your seeds out ready for the spring. Well done everyone.